Hello everybody, my name is Ken Thompson. I'll be showing you assignment 2 for advanced web design. So what I'm going to be showing you is how to break a JavaScript and produce an error and see it with the dev tools. How to insert a breakpoint into a script so you can see variables and whatnot. Some Ajax with networking in DevTools, and how to change HTML and how to change CSS in DevTools. And this is all with Firefox. So I wrote a little script in Sublime Text here. The HTML just calls jQuery CDN, and then the script calls assignment 2, JavaScript. There's a little script here that just prompts the user for its name, and then alerts the variable names, which is not the same thing as this. So it should produce an error. So we go over to Firefox here. What is your name? Oh, actually, let me open up DevTools here. Go to the console. You already see the error that's going to happen, but what is your name? Put in Ken, and then it says right here, error, names is not defined. It's assignment 2.javascript line 5. So if you take a look over here, line 5, alert names, there's your error. What's supposed to happen is give this a save, go back over to this. What is your name? Ken. Ken. That's really the only thing that's supposed to happen. So that's how to detect an error in JavaScript, and now I will show you how to detect or how to insert a breakpoint into your JavaScript code. So what is your name? Ken. If you see here, the debugger is showing you the file for JavaScript that it's going through, and simply if you just click right here, that'll insert a breakpoint on line 3. If we press enter, and it'll go to work, and you can see over here you have your variables. This is the whole document for the HTML, the arguments, the function. So yeah, that's really how you see everything. You got events over here, but no events are happening. Global scope, not really sure what that does. But yeah, so that's how you see all your variables and everything. And then to continue, you just hit this play button right here to move on past that breakpoint. There you go. So that's that. Moving onward to a site that uses Ajax. So I have my Facebook open here, and Facebook uses Ajax to continuously produce a newsfeed for you. So when you scroll, it's never ending. And as you can see here, it's already working. So basically, it's asking the server to get this stuff. You know, this one's a picture, probably an advertisement. Oh, here's the advertisement right here. This one is another picture. If I scroll down, more stuff will start to load in. There's a video right there. Here's more stuff. There's a lot more stuff as it's asking. So we have a couple pictures here. These are just my friend's profile pictures, and this is them loading up right here. There's some pictures. So that's really the main idea of how to see everything that Ajax is pulling through. So the next thing is how to change a web page HTML. So what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to go to my fraternity website. It's a website I designed myself for my other web design class, and I'll show you how to do that. So we come in here. Here's the inspector. So let's say we want to come in here and change the name of the most recent pledge class. So what we do, we come in here, header 1, congratulations alpha lambda, and we could change it to congratulations beta lambda, and there we go. And that's how you change the HTML. And for the CSS, this is under the style editor. You can see my marking there, my autograph, and this is all the CSS. So let's say we want to change the color of the hover. So when you hover over a link, it should turn to this red color. But let's say we want to change it to white. You change it like that. Oops. Make sure you don't mess that up. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, my bad. Well, that's another example of how to change the CSS. Accidentally got rid of a bracket and ruined all of the code, and that's what it would look like. Let me put that back. So yeah, this should change. Well, let's give a different example then, since that did not work perfectly. Let's see what we are. So here is the Rush Delta Chi, the nth of type 6. We can just get rid of this font weight and it becomes not bold. We can put it back, maybe change the weight to 900. Maybe that'll do something. About 1900. Must be too much because it goes over. So that's how you change the CSS for a website using DevTools. And now one more thing that the DevTools can do that wasn't shown in class. It's an interesting feature. Firefox is the only browser that, to my knowledge, has this tool. It's called 3D View, and it's pretty interesting. So what it does is it breaks down your website into a 3D view of the DOM, so you can really see how your entire web page is interacting with each other, what's on top of what. So like right here, I know, for example, I can zoom in somehow, plus. Okay, so right here you see I have a div for this list of, kind of hard to control, sorry about that. I have a list for the navigation bar of the website, and so the levels go div, ul, li, so sorry, it goes div, and then it's the unordered list, and then there's a list item in the unordered list, and this is a link. So that's how that basically works. Same thing with this up here. Here's the base web page. Here's a div, and then here's an image on top of that. It's pretty interesting. You get some pretty big stacks over here for like this Twitter. A lot of stuff going through. So yeah, that's everything for assignment 2. Let me just double check before I end it. Yeah, so that's everything I had to show you for assignment 2. Thanks for watching.